So super quick, I wanted to share with you guys my overall trade plan with the NASDAQ market. I personally think, and this is just my opinion, that it's extremely overbought because of NVIDIA, because of Apple, because of Microsoft. All of them have recently hit all-time highs, bringing QQQ to all new time highs. With that being said, yes, it is still very bullish. Please do not trade against it if you do not feel comfortable. I just took a position on SQQ. It's about $50,000, and I plan to size it up to about $300,000 to $400,000, depending on how quickly we get confirmation. Anytime that the market becomes overbought, and this overbought within a short period of time, it tends to curl on over and then begins to correct itself. So the correction can be down to the EMA, the correction can be down to the moving average. The great thing about that is that the inverse ETF, which is SQQQ, then offers 3 times that return. So right now, SQQQ from the current price point, working its way to the EMA, would be nearly a 5.8% return, and back to the moving average would be about a 20% return. Now, again, this doesn't have to happen, right? There's a reason I'm only in with $50,000 right now and not in with 300,000 or 400,000, because I don't have confirmation of the active sell-off. I'm just making you guys aware in advance. I could be super early. This thing could go higher. But anytime that the market's overbought, I love to remind beginners that this is a great time to take into consideration that the market might begin to correct itself. So what are you doing now to prepare? Does that mean that you need to sell your entire position up here? No, it doesn't mean that you have to lock in profits completely. But if you have no more cash available, then maybe reducing your position size in preparation for a pullback also isn't the worst idea. And that's exactly what I wanted to share with you guys, especially for those that are students or have a full-time job and simply trade on the side. Instead of try to trade every single day, then maybe swing trading something that is more appealing, or I would say convenient for your specific lifestyle. So with that being said, again, my goal, once I see indication of a reversal, I'm looking on the 30-minute time frame. We could see that it's already beginning to trade sideways, but trading sideways doesn't mean confirmation on the downside. Now, if we do get that, then again, I would love to add more to my SQQQ position as direction becomes favorable. But if we don't get any of that and we continue to show signs of upside, then again, the market can run higher. And that's why I like talking about both sides, making you aware that, yeah, markets can continue to run higher, but they're so overbought that it wouldn't be much of a surprise if they do begin to correct themselves. You guys let me know down in the comment section, do you think it's wrong to prepare in advance before a reversal actually happens at these overbought levels? Or do you think that it's smart because last time maybe you didn't and you wish you would have had some cash available so you could have purchased at those lower price levels, right? And that's the beautiful thing about trading. It's not that you have to be perfect with your entries and your exits and your timing, but that you plan and prepare in advance. So let's say that it does happen maybe a few days down the road. Then by reducing your position size up here, and then if it becomes oversold, then therefore you're able to take advantage of those lower prices, buy at those levels, and then make money as it recovers. Because again, overall markets are more bullish than they are bearish, but it's good to prepare in advance during overbought levels in preparation for those pullbacks. The other thing that I quickly want to talk about is, as of right now, we do have a range of around $30.35 for SQQQ. We'll see if we begin to show signs of progress on the upside or actively begin to sell off. I did end up hearing that I think they postponed the GameStop shareholder meeting once again till Monday. So I'm not too sure if that is true, but pretty unfortunate for GameStop. So we'll see if that creates more selling pressure or builds up some hype leading up to that shareholder meeting. I want to remind you guys, I do trade live every single morning. And if you're tired of trying to figure all of this out on your own, again, our A to Z video lesson library, you get to watch our daily live trading sessions and you get access to our private group chat. It's all included with an LPP 2.0. And right now it's 50% off. So if you want access to it so you can watch me trade live as soon as Monday when the market opens, that's that second link in the description down below. You can sign up today, start to watch the lesson library, and then on Monday, right at market open, you can tune on in to my live trading session so you don't have to start guessing anymore, and you can actually start watching me buy and sell and share my thought process behind every trade I take moving forward. And yes, it's a one-time payment, lifetime access, and you'll get to watch me trade live every single day. I appreciate your time. I hope that earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.